Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky. I am half of the duo. I'm Jodi. Alright, so a few weeks ago, Traci did her maternity shoot, and let me just tell you something. Let's start from the very beginning. From the very beginning, I said, you know, this is something special. You need to take your pictures, you need to record it. And that's one of the reasons why I like having a YouTube channel, because it's almost like I get to document a time in my life or a memory, and I get to save it on YouTube. And I said to her, it's really important that, you know, you take your maternity shoots just so you can look back on, and it's just such a special time being pregnant. And even though Traci hasn't really enjoyed her pregnancy, she's had pups, she's had morning sickness, and I said to her, it's special. I said, I'd like to gift you with a maternity shoot. I know that from Instagram, one of her favorite photographers is Lexon Art, and I said, okay, I'm gonna hook it up. And that was my gift to her. So much went into getting everything coordinated and organized, but you know what, at the end of the day, it was so worth it. So the first thing we did was, I don't think she realized the extent of the photo shoot and what went into it, because when I saw what she was planning on wearing, well, the first thing she did was she came to me with the most obnoxious picture. She's like, I want this. And I almost think that Traci gave me that picture to set me up for failure, knowing that, or thinking that there's no way Jodi can do this. So the picture is of Gucci Mane's wife. I think her name is Keisha. And she's, yeah, anyway, that's her maternity shoot. And Traci gave me that picture. And well, there's no job too tall, there's no feet too great. I called Adrian and I said, listen, we gotta make this happen. And we did. Traci came with one little dress. I don't think she realized what was happening, so I had to get her another dress because the dress she had before didn't really suit what was going on. It was a little bit more simple than what we wanted to do, or what I wanted to do. I took Traci's theme and I ran with it. I made it happen. Adrian got a team on board. We got a florist to be able to recreate all of what Traci had pictured, and it's just, to me, I think we recreated the picture. We took the idea and I believe that we bettered it. It's very representational of the kind of person Traci is. Very whimsical, loves the outdoors, loves the flowers and the pixies and the fairies, and easygoing. And the shoot, everything just ran so smoothly. When we showed up, well, first of all, or this would be second of all, she didn't have a makeup artist. And I was like, girl, you're doing your photo shoot, like, you didn't have a makeup artist? I don't know how many of you were on the live the day when we called Beautiful Beginnings. We use her all the time as our makeup artist, and we love her. And even though she does not open at 5 o'clock, she made an exception for Traci, being a regular client.
Hey guys, so this is what happens when you have a sister who thinks that you're a life-size dolly. and she's excitable, and you show her one little picture, and she go on roll with it and take it real hard. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm not at the airport. Chev and I are very upset about that. And I'm here doing my makeup for my baby photo shoot today. Maternity photo shoot.
I just want to say thank you so much, Chev, for just, you know, kind of easing up, because I know it must be hard having a child and your business open at a certain time and somebody call you and say, yo, you have to open this, you know. But Chev, you have to open this, you know. When me say open it, you have to open it, you know, Chev. Open that backside. I use a Beautiful Beginnings. Beginnings is the morning. Morning is 5 o'clock. That's when photo shoots go on. So Beautiful Beginnings, the beginning is at the beginning of the morning, 5 o'clock.
Look at this now. Look at this. This is what you pay for. Face meat. Watch it.
Beat it up.
Watch it. See that? Poor Traci. Traci are dead. You alright, Trey? You okay? Never mind, my darling.
Look at it this way. It's a facial massage, you know?
Massage?
Yes.
Whoa.
A little video of the super store. Alright, I'm gonna give you some highlights now, sis. Oh, good. Here. Oh, good.
Do you hype up everybody like this?
All the time.
Even the ones with the big mustache that won't shave it
off? Oh my God, Jodi.
Anyway, yeah, we got on set and Traci, she was just so overwhelmed, you know, the team was there getting everything together, and at the end of it, she just broke down, and to me, that was like the biggest thank you. When I saw her, she just thanked everybody. She was so overwhelmed and she just started to cry, and she was like, I've been holding this in. Thank you all so much. This means so much to me that all of you came together to just make this happen and make this look so amazing and so beautiful. So today I'm here at Nana and Papa's. Check out this, check this out. Today I'm here at Nana and Papa's, and Adrian just sent over the pictures. So I'm going to show everybody all together. You know, hopefully we'll get some tears going for YouTube, you know, because that gets some ratings. So make sure you drop a like. Please make sure you subscribe and drop a comment. How do you think this theme was? And do you think I absolutely nailed it? I'm taking all the credit for this, like all of it. I'm taking all the credit. Yeah. All right, guys, so stay tuned.
Let's see it is. All right. Heading on set now.
Thanks, guys.
Morning.
Hi, I'm Traci from Galeria Events. We are on site for Traci's maternity shoot. So Adrian called and he gave us an idea, and I'm like, Adrian, really? Like, you're giving us no time and you want it done. And he's like, these are really special clients. I need to make sure that it's amazing. And I'm like, okay, all right, Adrian. So we got this built here. This is a custom build, so no one else will have it other than her. We used some orchids, some roses, some stock, and yeah, and I think we created this. Yay! Do you love?
Love. All right, Trey, so tell me now, when you realized you were pregnant,
Yeah.
and you realized that a maternity shoot would have to follow,
Right.
tell me about the idea that you had, the picture that you found, and let's go from there.
So, I never really wanted a maternity shoot because it's not my thing. But I knew I had to because Jodi was like down my craw about all of these things. You know, she's so overly excitable about everything. So then I was just flipping through the Instagram one day and I saw this picture and it was of some star. I don't even know who it was. Like, I didn't even know it was a star. I just thought it was like a random person. And I sent it to Jodi and I'm like, oh, this is cool. That was it. That was the end of me and my maternity shoot. Like, that was it. And then the next thing I know, Jodi called me and was just like, oh, is this date okay for you to for us to do a maternity photo shoot? And I was like, yeah, okay, no problem. So then the girl come pick me up now. And when she come pick me up, she have dress for me that she's ordered from Amazon. It is 1 o'clock in the morning and it's like 5 o'clock in the morning and I must go get my makeup done. So she come to do the makeup with me. I must go get my makeup done. Then when we're driving off, we have to go on the boulevard, and then we're going on the boulevard and I see like this guy come out of the car. So I'm like, oh, who is this guy? She says, that's Adrian. So I'm like, okay, cool, no problem. When we get to the shoot now, I said, who is this Adrian guy? She says, Lexon Arts Photography. I mean, I don't even think you guys understand how I adore this man's work. Like, it's so good. He's so artistic. He brings his stories to life. He does all of these super creative photo shoots. And I was really like taken aback.
Alright, so I'm Adrian McDonald, aka Lexon Art. Today we did an amazing shoot with Traci. She was such a trooper. She was even barefoot. You can get that? But yeah, this has been, you know, not very long in the making because I was supposed to shoot with Jodi like a year ago. Yeah, but man, that didn't happen. I was all the way on the other side of the world, but no, I'm here, came through for Traci, and we made it happen. We knocked it out the park. Can't wait for you guys to see the images. They're terrific. So yeah.
And I'm like, okay. So we get to this location out by K Manors, and there was a whole entire floral company that had set up everything, like everything. I can't even, I was just so, it's overwhelming. I can't cut.
It's okay, Trey. The model is dressing on set. Dressing.
Oh, my maternity, bro.
No, take that off, girl.
Oh, okay.
Traci.
In case I want to run away from this baby.
Yeah.
I just really tried.
Oh, Jesus. Trey. You're welcome, Trey. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Trey. Trey, it's okay. Trey, it's alright. It's okay, Trey. You look beautiful. You did a good job.
Thank you, everybody. I just didn't. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Trey.
I've worked so long to work with Lex and Art, and I just didn't know you guys would do something so beautiful, and the cheap Amazon dress looks so good. I'm really thankful. Thank you, everybody.
You're welcome, Trey.
Just never expected all of that, you know? When I put on my little dress and I had my makeup done. It was just really more than I could have imagined.
We're now here with husband. So when Traci was talking about her maternity shoot when she came home, what did she say? How did you feel? What do you think happened on the shoot?
Well, she came home very ecstatic, very excited. She enjoyed the shoot very much.
She's taking off her clothes.
We're watching the camera.
Come over
We're
here.
watching the camera. Want to take off your shirt? Okay. Alright, so there you go.
Go over somewhere and you can be safe.
There you go.
Want to come swim, Rem? Swimming?
I want to go swim.
Alright, can you go change? Swim trunks are in the your swim trunks are in the brown and white stripe or the baby bag. Check in Remy's baby bag. Your trunks are in there. And can you bring Remy's swimsuit too, please? She wants to take off the diaper. Come over here, let me take off the diaper. Of course. Man. Alright, so when Traci came home from her maternity shoot, what did she say? How did she feel? And what do you think happened on the shoot?
The one that didn't include me?
Yes, that one.
Well, she was very happy, very excited. What did I think happened? I have no idea. I mean, I know that once you and her come up with some scheming plan to do a photo shoot, I can always expect something crazy. So she didn't give me too many details, so I'm just waiting to kind of see what it comes out and what it looks like.
So she didn't give you a hint. She wasn't like, oh babe, I want to do this for my shoot, or I want to do this. So she was just like, yo, I told Jodi this picture.
She just said that she was very excited, and she said that the settings that you guys were gonna do she was excited to see them. So I don't have any clue what the pictures are gonna look like, actually.
Introduce yourself, Shay. Who are you? Why are you here?
I'm Auntie Shay.
Auntie Shay.
I'm here for Auntie Tricky. The interview for Auntie Tricky.
Oh, okay. Alright, so did you hear about Traci's maternity shoot? What were some of the details you heard?
I heard that it was like basically lots of flowers and garden area and white. Yeah, and I saw the picture of what it should look like, as in the premise, basically.
Do you think that I pulled it off?
Definitely.
Oh, you put all your eggs in my basket.
Sometimes.
Hi, Mom.
Hi,
Hi, darling.
Okay, so tell me, what did you hear about Traci's maternity shoot? How it went? What do you think the picture was of? What do you think happened that day?
You've been very secretive about it, so I'm not really sure. I did see a one post, and it was just so Traci. When I looked, it was like, this could not be more perfect for Traci's whole bohemian look, her whole... It just was so perfect for her. Yeah. Do you want me to say what I saw in the picture?
No, I don't know how you even saw that picture.
Oh, okay. Well, I saw one picture, and it was so beautiful.
Are you ready to see the pictures?
Definitely.
Oh, you have them?
Yes.
All right. See them.
Yes. I'd love to see the pictures.
Are you ready to see the pictures?
No. Really?
I think they may be ready.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see them.
I'm coming to the shoot like a wet Saint Bernard, dripping wet.
And he wanted the whiskey because that's what's keeping him warm.
Is that cool water? Is that sweat from your nunchuck activity? Let me show you.
Oh. So you all know, right? You spread out like you're about to eat dinner. You know, it's a one little laptop on looking at, right?
But I don't. Mommy, just come and sit behind her. Come behind her.
I think Timmy is coming now.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go in close. Traci, open a laptop, and you will find the images from your shoot. You just use the arrow to go over.
I'm gonna turn up the brightness here.
Oh wow!
Okay. Look like a goddess.
That is.
Flower goddess.
Whoa.
Oh, I look goody.
Oh,
Please.
so
What?
fast. Oh my gosh, that is. Oh wow, that's so beautiful.
Wow, that's crazy. This was out by Caymanos. There's a river out by Caymanos.
Oh,
We pass it to go to party.
That is crazy.
Oh my gosh, that is so romantic. Look at those flowers.
You look so beautiful. Thank you.
Oh
No,
wow.
I'm sad I wasn't there.
That is lush.
Is that what you asked for, Trey?
This is definitely what I asked for.
This is so you.
This is more than what I asked
Yeah,
for.
this is beautiful.
My bottom looks so big.
It is. It's big.
Any section on there?
I just can't believe it.
Yeah, who took the pictures?
Lexon Art Photography, the guy that does all of the like religious scenes on the Instagram.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why he had you with your hand up to the light, and yes, yeah, beautiful.
Watch me, I move the grass. Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, oh,
Yeah,
that's
bust a
beautiful.
wine.
Yeah, in the river on the bank. Yeah.
I still haven't seen them.
Yeah, looks really good. Yeah. I look good, eh?
Yes, you do.
I look
Yeah,
good.
definitely.
I look good. I look good.
Aww.
Daddy, I look good.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
We can't
Thank
wait
you,
to see
Joy. Thank you so
Yay!
much.
No baby shower, but awesome pictures.
Thank you so much, Joy. I mean, these photos, I cannot wait for people to see them and see how good I look. No, but and thank you to Lexon Art Photography and the team. Like, as I said, it was just totally beyond what I could have ever imagined, and I'm just really, really happy with this photo shoot.
So, Dad, what are your thoughts on the pictures?
Oh, they were fantastic.
Did you see them?
No.
They were really nice though, they're very nice. Traci looked beautiful, the location was really nice. The swing bench thing that they set up out there, wicked. Really nice. But dinner is ready, so you know, about that time.